What's going on, everybody? It's Drew here. Well, it's a beautiful day out today, and we're getting into some new projects here. So let's check out what we're getting into here. So as you see, there's no landscaping here whatsoever. So as you see, as the line right there, we're going to dig it out, and then where all this grass is here, we're going to till it up, and then we're going to lay some black fabric down, put some plants in, and then stone. So this is going to be, you know, who knows, maybe a 3, 4, 5 part video, but that's what's going on. And we're also, as you see, started digging down there. We're going to put some rocks in there, maybe a few little flowers. Haven't decided yet on that part. And right there, all the way up to where the hose is. So yeah. Also, the most important part is, I forgot to mention that we also got the utilities marked by law. God forbid you do not want to hit one of those, so that is also the most important thing. So hey, let's start getting some digging and get into the video. Well, got this shovel at Menards. It's actually not too bad for what it is. I do have a spade, but it's not that sharp, but this is, for now, I'm using it. It's not bad. It's coming along, little by little. Yeah, this one's going to be a little deeper. I might have to dig that one out a little bit too, because things just happen running. Yep. Alright guys, so we got this side done. Got this side done. And we got this done here. And we're going all the way over to see where that hose is in that ditch with that. And then we gotta do over here. Sorry about that, guys. From here all the way over and there. Don't know if that'll be in today's video or not, or it might be in part 2, so stay tuned. Alright guys, let's see what else we got done here. Here's all the bags. Alright, here he is. What do you think of that? Not too bad, eh? Now we got both the things down here. So we're gonna do a little bit more with this video, and this will be part 1, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so are you ready to see the finished product? I don't know, are you sure? Alright, let's check it out here. Here it is. We're gonna put 2 rocks here at the end where both lights are. Got it edged out, got rocks. She got some sign there she wanted to put, lighting on each side. Got a hanging basket right there. Another light. And I think she's gonna put a pot on this side. No more lights because she doesn't want to worry about hitting those lights. I think she'll be fine, but hey, whatever she wants to do. But hey, I think it looks so much better. Then all I'll have to do for her is to finish the other part 2. Take the edger to it, put a nice edge on it again with the weed eater, and that thing is gonna look really, really good. So yeah, I don't think this turned out to be a pretty awesome job here so far. Not too bad. Spent some time here and you know, hey, gained some more skills and enjoyed the day. I mean, it's a beautiful day out here and all that good stuff. First install of 2021, and yeah, so I hope everybody enjoyed this video here, and stay tuned. Part 2 will be coming sometime here. I'm not sure when yet, but that'll be when I get caught up with the mowing again, and we'll finish part 2 out. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.